My name is Victor Tuyahewa, a network and production engineer at RENUMESH Technologies. RENUMESH Technologies are the manufacturers and designers of the solar-powered Wi-Fi routers in Uganda. We realized the internet connectivity should be sustainable and reliable across the world. However, in Africa and Uganda specifically, we face a challenge of unreliable and unstable power, which in turn affects the reliability of the internet connectivity across the country. So in this, RENUMESH Technologies came up with a sustainable solution, the solar-powered Wi-Fi router, that will help us to run away from the unsustainable and traditional electrical infrastructure. In this, we talk about a device that is able to sustain us for 5 to 7 days on a single charge. On the other hand, we realize the last mile technologies are quite limited in the different areas of the country and across the world. Hence, we needed a device that can be able to use a couple of last mile technologies. This mesh node is equipped with the capability to handle different last mile technologies. In that, we talk about a SIM card. The device is able to, it has a SIM card slot, so it's able to use a SIM card for LTE. It's able to use Ethernet. Mainly, you might find in different scenarios, one, a person or organization has a switch or a router where they would like to pick internet from to give the device, so that is also available. On the other hand, this device not only has power to support itself, but it can be able to support a couple of other devices, so that we extend its utility to additional devices. In that, we talk about power over Ethernet, where we are able to supply power to different other devices that we can connect to this device. We talk about microwave radios, we talk about stronger LTE devices that are able to give us LTE signal even in the remotest areas of the country. The remotest areas, we talk about the northern parts, which have limited fiber infrastructure. We talk about Karangara Islands, which are faced with unreliable power and as well having less or no fiber infrastructure. So in that, this device is able to power such other additional devices and be able to give us internet. So this device can also talk to another device of the same model. So that is what we term as meshing. And we realize that there is no need to always run cable at every point in time, or when we're extending maybe to different fields or areas that are a little bit distant from the cable infrastructure. And in that's when we are able to use the meshing functionality, that we can get one or a couple of devices and we give them internet uplinks, and the other devices will pick off from the main device. So that is one of the features that we are also happy with when it comes to the solar-powered Wi-Fi router. Talk about the different use cases and scenarios where we have been able to deploy the device. We have been able to deploy this device at 35 different research and education institutions. And through the partnership with RENU, the National Research and Education Network for Uganda, we have also been able to have, at the moment, 50 more public Wi-Fi zones. So through this, since October 2023, we have been able to realize or to have 44,000 plus unique users who have been able to use the different access points that we have been able to set up. And on a daily basis, we have an average of 750 users, which is pretty a good number that has been able to show us that there is an impact for where we are deploying these devices. And we hope that in the near future, when these devices reach all the vast areas and the different areas across the world, will be able to realize more impact, and that will be a milestone to achieve. All we need is support from the different partners whom we can be able to partner with and make this device reach each and every part of the world. So in that, we hope that the short session has been able to give you a hint of the unreliable electrical infrastructure that we are trying to overcome with the use of the solar-powered Wi-Fi router. We thank you, and we hope to catch up with you for any inquiries or more discussions.